Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. Why me I said this though? I'm not Brains on the Beat anymore. Hi guys, welcome to my little corner of the YouTube hemisphere. This is where I do lifestyle, fashion, beauty, commentary videos, which will be today's video is a commentary video. If you like those type of content, I got you covered, girl. I got you covered. Mom vlogs and all, organizing videos, all. Hair, got it. Makeup, got it. If you like that stuff, stick around, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
She can do it. Like a belly last week. Look, belly normally could be. No movement there.
Yes, so let's have a check.
Post it tomorrow.
Surely, man.
What a pricky. What a piece of is a no movement day in Jamaica, which spans from Sunday to Tuesday, and a minister actually had a party on a no movement day. Imagine if somebody from the ghetto this long time, police would have fined them long ears. They would have get fined long ears. What a thing. Okay, and the article says there is outrage on social media over a video that has emerged showing agricultural minister Floyd Green at a hotel celebration toasting to a COVID-19 no movement day. The Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Mona Division in Kingston and St. Andrew, Mount Sipora Corporation, Andrew Bellamy, is also seen in the video, which was posted on Twitter at 8:32 p.m. More than a dozen persons were seen at the table with food. Green and Bellamy joined with others in the maskless group in a toast after members said, "No Movement Day." Wow. Telephone calls and messages to Green and Bellamy have gone unanswered. Sources close to the event have confirmed that it was a birthday celebration Tuesday at the R Hotel in St. Andrew for an associate of Green, who is also a member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth Southwestern. Tuesday was a no movement day as a part of measures to contain the spread of COVID-19. The Prime Minister and Green are scheduled to address the nation Wednesday in the House of Representatives. So the opposition party, who is Mark Golden for PMP, had something to say, and it says, when a ministry of government who sits in cabinet and is collectively responsible for decision and is caught red-handed violating spirit and intent of those laws, the minister must be made to resign. The country has endured 4 consecutive weeks of no movement days, and as Jamaican struggles to get this terrible third wave of COVID pandemic under control. Many people have suffered tremendous pain and hardship from being forced by the law to stay home for 3 days a week. Those without the money to stock up for lockdown and those who hustle for their daily bread have gone hungry, as have their children. Many businesses, especially small business, are facing closure. People are suffering, people are frustrated, people are angry. Ordinary Jamaicans would be locked up and charged with offenses under the DRAMA, Disaster Risk Management Act, for doing this, yet a government minister and his cronies were there yesterday flossing and braffing away as if COVID restrictions mean nothing, showing utter contempt for the rules that his government has imposed on the people. Jamaicans are disgusted by the continuous double standard with one set rules burdening the people while the well-connected and privileged get to do whatever they like. For a minister of government who ought to be setting an example for the population as a whole, to be flaunting the no movement day restriction and partying with friends is an arrogant insult and a slap in the face of the people of Jamaica. Calling for the Prime Minister to ensure full accountability for this disgraceful act by a minister of government. It is inexcusable. Nonetheless, than the resignation of the minister will do, he must pack his bags and go. And he definitely packed his bags. I just got word from Jamaica Gleaner that he has resigned from his position. But the thing is, I don't think he is the only one that should be resigning. Everyone that is a minister of parliament that was in that party on Tuesday need to be resigned, and they need to make sure that they get zero of their pension money, because regular Jamaican people are suffering, and they disrespected not only the prime minister, they're disrespecting the people that they're supposed to be serving. And the headline reads, Holness asks Green to resign amid backlash over viral video. That was what I seen on Jamaica Observer. That was the headline. Lloyd Green resigned as agriculture minister. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green has resigned following a video in which he was among a massless group of people at a hotel toasting to No Movement Day. I have disappointed so many, said Green. Mona Division Councillor was also in the video. It's understood that Bellamy will be relieved of his duties on all boards and committees of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. And clap to Andrew Holness for actually making it speedy and understanding that people need swift actions when people in positions of power disregard rules and regulation, and they need to be held accountable. Accountability is the only way Jamaica is going to change, and the double standards between rich and poor and wealthy and who is in poverty in Jamaica is crazy. Our people, thank you for putting this on blast. Thank you for sharing this video all over social media so one of them can be held accountable and be responsible. Also, if anybody else see anyone that works in parliament doing anything out of the ordinary that they are not supposed to do, I want you to take video footage and blast it on social media. I'm sick and tired of them getting away with stuff that regular Jamaicans can never in the light of day get away with. So comment in the comment section, what do you guys think? Do you think it was right for him to resign? Do you think Andrew Holness actually did a great job with actually asking for him to resign? Do you think he still should be getting pension money after what he did from Jamaica's people? What are your thoughts on this whole situation? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And also, what do you think of the No Movement days? Because the tourists, them come to Jamaica other day and them get figure Duns River, them get figure Dolphin Cove, them get figure Mystic Mountain, them get to live them very best life while other Jamaicans are suffering, and them can't make them money for all the small businesses that work in those areas. Them have to get locked too because the people in government are not allowing small businesses to actually open. Only a select few, which the government select, which is very discriminatory to me. But that's a whole nother different video for a whole different day. So comment what's your thoughts on that also, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.